So, the biggest question in my mind and biggest opportunity I see in the market is the relentless market expansion in last 5 years, where demat accounts went from 40 million to 190 million as of last month. And my sense is it is going to go from 190 million to maybe 300, 400 millions in years to come. Now, this has led to market expansion of unprecedented fashion in last, say, 4-5 years. I mean, we have seen expansion in the last 25 years also, but the pace of last 5 years is very different. My sense is this is a change environment and change opportunity for capital markets in India, not only for last 5 years, but next 5 to 10 years. What's your view on that?
No, absolutely, Raamdeo ji. And I was seeing the headline behind market mayhem, and just behind Prashant, I saw a very big screen saying market mayhem, and takes me back in time 5 years. So Nifty touched an all-time high of 12,000 in February 20, and within few weeks we were down to 7,500 or so. And it looked like an end of the world. I mean, the demand and supply shock we saw in that year, and then 21 was the second wave, 22 was Russia-Ukraine war, inflation and interest rates in the developed markets touching new highs, so on and so forth. And despite all of that, I think markets have done very well. Of course, a year back, everybody was saying, all of us, Raamdeo ji, we were discussing that looking at the valuations, a correction is imminent. And we have seen that in last 4 or 5 months. Variety of reasons have led to that. But I think as valuations correct, the structural story hasn't really changed. We are at the early stage of financialization of savings in India. This nation is transforming from a nation of savers to a nation of investors, and we have a long way to go. Of course, there would be some cycles. Flows would slow down a bit given the way markets have been over the last few months. We might see some cyclical slowdown, even as you were talking about the new demat accounts, trading activity, volumes, etc. But the structural trend of investors putting more money for long-term investing in a disciplined manner, I think that will continue for a very, very long time to come.